Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY detail water spot remover. On my own car it has a ceramic coating for 2.5 years already. The bottom parts of the panels and the rear of the car is not beading the water as much as it used to do. I'm not sure if it's a goner or it's only because of like water spot and such, or lime scale rather and such. So we will see. Let's roll.
You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, good and strange. You got me looked about it, you and me. Got me losing sleep, I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
You sing out your frustration, just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement, God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. like strangers, scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes, so change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts, nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so, but I told you so. My kingdom on lockdown, you never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts, nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so, but I told you so.
Alright, boys and girls, that was the DIY detail water spot remover. It was working very well, however it has a super strong scent. For me it smells like a stronger version of the Koshemi FSE. Other than that, I would highly recommend to either use it as at a well ventilated area or rather outside, because it's really strong, the smell of it. But it works very well, I can hands on heart recommend. It brought back some water beading. It's not exactly like it was when it was brand new, but considerably better than it was prior to the washing and such. Anywho, all in all, I can hands on heart recommend that. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.